Give it back, Slag.
He picked the wrong spot for a fight, me boy. Perhaps a flogging will teach ye to meddle in the affairs of corsairs.
That's a good one, Captain. You made a rhyme.
Shut up, Pete.
Aye, Captain, shutting up.
Ready to bilge and step aside. The rats dine on lumbax tonight. The secret of the lumbax is stays with the pirates. Be true now, I have great plans for it. Never shake hands with a pirate, people. But here's your chance. Well, we'll have to do something about that. Lads!
Captain needs our help, lads. Skewer that mangy rat.
Come on, me boy. Come get your precious dimensionator. Get in here and cut this rotten creature!
You heard him, you mangy rascals! Get the cut!
Go now! Don't be so quick to die, me.
You're letting him win!
Help, you yellow swine!
Begging your pardon, Captain, but I'd rather forward your request to the appropriate department. Lads!
Don't you know who I am? I'm Captain Slag, scourge of the galaxy!
That's one flat lumbax. Good one, Captain.
The end be near. Oh, 'tis beautiful, Pete. A bright light at the end of me dark tunnel. Oh, wenches as far as the eye can see, each with a pint of grog and a smile for old Slag. Fare thee well, cruel galaxy. Fare thee well.
Captain? Captain? No! Why? I suppose now that you're our new captain, you'll be needing one of them gimmicky pirate names. The Dread Pirate Ratchet, perhaps?
Whoa. I'm your new captain?
Aye, 'tis the code, sir.
Thanks, but I'd rather have the Dimensionator.
Ratchet, we cannot allow it to be used even once. It is too dangerous.
I see. No way the Lombaxes could have invented something useful.
It is not logical to use this device, knowing the threat it poses.
What threat? You know, ever since the rocket sled, you've been nothing but a giant pain in my... Quark! What are you doing here?
Showing the universe that I'm a superhero. I'm also fighting the mother of all wedgies, but mostly the superhero thing.
Quark, put down the Dimensionator.
I shall now emblazon my name in the annals of galactic history by hurling this infernal contraption into a black hole.
worry, Captain. That vessel will set course for the nearest available planet.
Which planet is that?
The Cragmite homeworld, Captain. Grog,